үйде өрейін деп жатырмын, потому что алдыңғы жолы өрген кезде неде аты не еді, салонда өте қымбат болған, $100 примерно. Ужас. Сондықтан бүгін үйде амай помощница. Мен қазір шашыма осылай өрейін деп жатырмын. Мына африканский брейд.
What is that?
Where are you sit? Here?
We'll try. Your chair is a little bit high, but we'll try.
Then I...
Do you mind removing your glasses? Does it bother you?
Actually, I don't see you without glasses, but okay.
What do you like? Yeah, you're okay. Do you like your split here or here?
This one? This leg?
Yeah. Do you like it in the middle here or here?
I want middle.
In the middle. I think this is the middle. This might be a long process, so if you want your movie to watch, just put your movie and watch. You get what I'm saying? I'm saying this might be a long process, right? So if you get bored, you can just watch your movies.
Yeah, I understand. My Daniel also maybe get bored. So maybe I need to get him sleep.
Don't bother. I don't mind you interrupting. Does this gel feel cold?
No? I washed my hair.
Yeah, I see that. And it's not greasy. It's nice. But you have nice hair. Like, your hair is really nice.
I was bald 3 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
You can't be serious.
I'm serious. I can show you.
So how come you have so much hair right now? And it's
My hair
long?
grows faster in Cameroon.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. So you, I see why you really love Cameroon now.
Yeah. I don't know why, but maybe in
The
Cameroon it
weather?
has water. Water is like
Cleaner.
alive.
How? I don't get it.
Water looks like alive.
So how is it in Kazakh?
Maybe dead water. I don't.
How can water be dead?
I don't know. It feels alive. Don't you see?
Oh, nah. Maybe because I've had it all through.
Maybe.
That it doesn't make any difference to me. Baby.
I feel it.
Alive.
Yeah, it's the last one. Or
The
middle?
last one here, yeah. The last one where we do the straight.
Okay.
The cornrows.
Then it will be faster, right?
Sorry?
After this, the straight ones will be faster.
I hope.
Normally, I guess it's easier than this one.
Yes, it is easier.
Okay. Looks great. Уже сағат 8 болып отыр. Welcome to my camera. Әлі бітпейді. Примерно 16 жасайтын жасайды. Ау жаным.
You feel the pain after I've passed.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
How I should to feel?
You're supposed to feel it when I am passing.
I don't know.
Because you scream ouch after I've passed.
Maybe. Да, больно. Оркуда чашны қатты тартқан кезде. It's really bad.
Please Please, just let us finish quick. Sorry.
Ah, it's really painy.
Sorry.
What's going on out there?
Here, it's us trying to hurry.
Okay. Қызыл түске істедім, потому что Камеронның флагында қызыл түс бар. Окей. Сегіз жарым. Too long time. Сағат 9. Барбершоп.
Okay. You're gonna feel the heat on your neck, so let me just burn you. Don't bother. Did it touch you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's touching me.
Oh, it's the bucket.
Yeah.
Sorry. Hey!
It's touching me, really. Hot water is spilling on me.
Oh my god, sorry. Okay, wait. Is it better? Is it okay?
Yes.
Please
But-
keep the stove very close to your neck. Sorry.
Okay, can we just skip it?
No, we're not gonna skip it. Sorry. Whoa, that's hot.
You will burn your hand.
Nah, it's fine. Well, it's burning, but it's not that bad. You know the hand is harder than the neck, right? So I'm gonna feel it, but not that bad.
Not sure.
Oh shit.
It's really hot. My neck was burnt.
Sorry. I'm gonna tell you sorry today like 1,000 times. Because you deserve it.
Oh my god, it just really hurts so.
Okay. Hold us, please. Hold us like this. Don't let it go. No matter what, don't let it go. Bend back. Backwards. Yeah. Voila.
Now I feel black. Now you feel what? Now I feel black.
I'm feeling back because you're doing like what we used to do when we were going to the salon.
Yeah, with hot water. Sacrificing myself for being pretty. And this is the final look. Алты жарым, почти 7 сағат жасаған. Ja. Все. Всем спасибо. Бай-бай. Ada.